Welcome to this tutorial on using global variables across different scenarios in Latenode. Today we'll explore a clever workaround that allows us to capture and process data over time. Let's start with our first scenario, getting and writing 3 global variables. Imagine we want to track the temperature in London throughout the day. Our scenario begins with a trigger node which we can activate manually. Next, we have an HTTP request node that fetches the current temperature from a weather service. The magic happens in our JavaScript node. It determines the time of day, morning, afternoon, or night, based on the current hour. Depending on when we run the scenario, it follows one of 3 routes. Each route leads to a set global variables node, which saves the temperature as a global variable: morning temp, day temp, or night temp. This way, we can capture temperatures at different times of day. Now, let's look at our second scenario, processing global variables. This scenario also starts with a manual trigger. Its JavaScript node is where the real work happens. It retrieves our saved temperature variables, converts them from Kelvin to Celsius, and calculates the daily average. Finally, a webhook response node displays our result. By using this two-scenario approach, we've created a simple yet effective temperature tracking system. You could run the first scenario multiple times a day to gather data, then use the second scenario to get your daily average. This technique isn't limited to weather data. You could use it to track stock prices, monitor website traffic, or log any kind of data that changes over time. The possibilities are endless. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial has sparked some ideas for your own projects. Happy automating!